Kate. Is that a baby? Is that a baby on your book? Yeah? This is a bear. Can you give the bear a kiss? Can you give the bear a kiss? Give him a kiss. Oh, kisses. That's very nice. Hey, Caitlin. Can you say hi? Hi. Hi. Good girl. Can you dance? Can you go dance, dance, dance? Dance, dance, dance. Are you going to dance? You go dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. You want food? She wants food. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.